Holy hell, these are hard.
Because you're eating slow, you got your back.
It's yellow, John.
Yeah. Oh, it's juicy. Oh my God.
Eat it, John.
Oh,
This is something for YouTube.
oh, Jesus.
Where are you from, John? Eastern Shore, is that what you said?
Oh my God.
You gotta finish so you can punch something out.
Oh my.
What's down there? You
John,
doing,
come
John?
on.
You want some water or some milk or something?
Hell yeah.
I don't think so, John.
His eyes are red, dude.
Let's see them things.
Oh.
Look at that sweat on his face.
He is sweating bullets.
Oh,
shit.
He's gonna die.
You gotta eat the last piece now, John.